So, the Pixel 10 rumor mill is just beginning to churn, with only limited details about Google's upcoming flagship currently available. Beyond notable leaks about the Tensor G5 and G6 processors, no CAD renderings or definitive design insights have surfaced yet. However, an intriguing development has emerged. A purported Pixel 10 phone case has been spotted, hinting at possible design elements for the successor to the Pixel 9. This unexpected reveal has drawn significant attention. The source of the leak is Sonny Dixon, an ex-user renowned for his accurate Apple leaks. Dixon posted an image of what he claims to be a case designed for the Pixel 10. Although the authenticity of this claim is yet to be confirmed, Dixon's reputation in the Apple leak sphere lends some credibility to his assertions. That said, whether his track record will translate to Google-related leaks remains uncertain. The case design bears a striking resemblance to those created for the Pixel 9. Its upper portion features a horizontal cutout, likely intended for the signature Pixel camera visor. While this visor has seen minor refinements over recent Pixel generations, its overall design philosophy has remained largely unchanged. If this case reflects the actual design, it suggests Google plans to continue using a similar camera configuration for the Pixel 10. However, the case offers no concrete information regarding potential feature upgrades or improvements to the camera system. Another notable detail is the case's indication of rounded corners for the Pixel 10's frame, consistent with the smooth, curved aesthetic of previous models. Beyond these observations, the case sheds little light on other aspects of the device, leaving much of the Pixel 10's design a mystery. It's also possible that the case is a speculative creation by a third-party manufacturer rather than a product based on accurate information. The early appearance of a completed case, especially before prominent leakers like OnLeaks release CAD-based renders, raises questions about the validity of this leak. As more information surfaces in the coming weeks, a clearer picture of Google's next flagship is expected to emerge. Until then, the Pixel 10 remains shrouded in mystery, leaving enthusiasts eager for further revelations. So what are your thoughts on the upcoming Google Pixel 10 series? Share your opinions in the comments below. And as always, I'll catch you in my next video.